The food is mediocre. The food isn't good. Of course, cruise ships have to cook food for hundreds, thousands of people. And of course, any buffet that you go to, whether it's on a cruise ship or the Golden Corral or anywhere else, the food is going to be mediocre. Granted, some cruise ships have, of course, upped their game when it comes to their buffets and when it comes to their dining room experience and all those types of things. But just note that there's other restaurants on board that you can get food from as well. Yes, it may come at an extra charge, but just know that there's other places to get food and snacks from on board. And just get out there and try something different. Also know at the ports when you all stop, there are, of course, I'm sure restaurants out there that you can try, whether you're in Mexico, whether you're in the Caribbean. There's all types of food places that you can try as well that's close to the port. Just get out there and walk, turn your GPS on and figure out where it's at. But I can tell you that cooking for hundreds and thousands of people, there's only so much stuff you can put into the food because some folks may have a sensitivity to too much seasoning or allergies to something, that kind of thing, and they have to look out and be mindful of all those things. So yes, the food may not be the top A1 that you make at home, but it'll do and it'll get you from day to day. I guess I put it that way. Let me know your favorite food that you love to eat on cruise ships. Put it in the comments. I definitely want to hear from you.